Hey guys, so this video was a lot of work for me, and please like and subscribe. I would really just appreciate it, as I'm just a new creator trying to trying to actually get fans and stuff. So yeah, thank you. Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying to make our first game, and this is definitely going to be, I think, quite hard, since I don't know how to code that well, but I mean, I'll try together with you guys. And yeah, so I think what we're going to do first is make a 3D object, and yes, a plane, right? Then we're going to use the scale tool. We're going to scale it. So the idea of the game is we're gonna have a sphere, and basically there's gonna be falling cubes, and we're gonna have to evade the falling cubes, right? And like the amount of time you hold, the amount of time you survive is like kind of your score, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I just want to make this plane big so we have a place to move on. And yeah, I might not talk that much. I'm just gonna be trying to, code and stuff. And yeah, okay, we have the plane, then player. Wait. Oh, I need to name this ground, I think. I think that will be good. Okay, if the ground is 0, 0, okay, then the player has to be 1, right? So the player, yeah, so that basically the player is like above the ground, right? Then we're going to add a component rigid body, and we're going to freeze the position on X and Z, basically, so that it won't roll around. I mean, nothing is going to happen, but let's just see what's... Okay, yeah, that's it, basically. Nothing else, right? Okay, so guys, now we're going to see the script, right? Okay, create. Okay. Player slide. Basically, we're just gonna have the ball like slide and not like obey gravity and stuff. It's just like for a first game and stuff. Okay. So what we're going to do is... Okay. We're gonna delete all of this. And we're going to write something. Okay, public class player slide. Okay. Mono behavior. Okay, so what we're going to do is separate these for a couple of lines. Then public float speed, okay, equals 5f. Okay, then we do I forgot what's this called. It's basically, so what we're doing here, the like public float speed, is how fast the player moves, right? Then what we're going to do is void update right? We don't need this, and we don't need that. I don't think we need it, at least. It's not private, it's just void update, right? And then what we're going to do is okay, float move x equals input dot get axis. Okay, then these horizontal, then I honestly don't know most of this, right? Float move z equals input dot get axis like what are they called again? Brackets, I think. I'm not too sure about that. Yeah, so I'm sorry if I don't know how to say it, but I don't live in like America or England. I'm technically a foreigner, so yeah. So sorry for my English. Okay, vector 3 move. So okay, what we did here with the float move x and float move z is basically when we do like when we press A, D, or the like when we press A, D, it's like horizontal, right? Left to right. Then like W and S, or up and down, is like vertical. So yeah, move equals new vector 3 move x comma 0f comma move z. Okay, and then this sign. Okay, then transform dot translate move, then the like star thingy, speed star thingy, time dot delta time comma space dot world. Okay, then we end the script basically. Well, we just showed that we ended what we wanted to write. Then we do this and this. Okay, So let's try to go test it. How do we test it again? Wait. Wait. Ctrl-S. Okay, saved. Let's go back here. Wait, there's an error. Space does not contain a definition for world. Wait. Wait, we really just needed to we just needed to replace it with like a big, just a big, okay, wait, let's see. We press play. No, wait. We press player. Then we do, where's the speed again? Wait. Mesh render, sphere collider. That's pretty weird. I don't know where the speed is. That's material. These are scale. Wait, let me see something. Wait. We have to add player slide to player. Oh, and then we can, oh, I forgot a crucial thing where we had to put the script on the player actually. I didn't know that. Okay, so basically now we're gonna try to see, guys. It's working. That's pretty funny. Our ball is actually working. It looks like not our ball, sphere, but it looks like an egg shape, not even a sphere. Well, maybe it's a sphere. Wait, no, it kind of looks like an egg shape, or is that just me? Okay. Yeah, that's really cool. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to make the like enemies fall. We're going to make a 3D object cube, and we're going to call it enemy, right? Then let's see, the enemy is going to be, the Y could be like 6, right? Maybe I'll do 10. That seems better. Okay, sure, I'll do 10. Then, let's see, box collider. Yeah. And we need rigid body. Yep. Use gravity. Wait, our player? I need to check something. Yes, so everything is alright. And let's see. Okay. when we press play, the box should fall. Okay, like that. See, guys? Yeah, this is pretty cool, to be honest. Okay. Okay, it's now a prefab. Right? We'll delete it from the scene, but we still have the prefab. Okay. Okay, we right click, then create empty. We'll call it enemy spawner. Okay, its position is 0. We're going to make a script, another script, and it's going to be called wait, yes, it's going to be called enemy spawner, right? Okay, enemy spawner, we're going to add it to the object, basically. Okay, it has a script. Okay, public class, enemy spawner. We're going to delete all of this. Okay, so public game object enemy prefab. Enemy prefab. No. Then public float spawn, no, interval equals 1f. Then public float spawn range x. Range x equals 8f. Okay, then we do another public float spawn height equals 6f. Then we do void start, these brackets, invoke repeating another spawn enemy comma 1f comma spawn interval. Okay, then we end that there. Void spawn enemy void spawn enemy. Okay, let's just say that'll be enough. Float random x equals random dot range minus spawn range x spawn range x. We close these and we add that. Okay, vector 3 spawn post equals new vector 3 random x comma spawn height comma 0. Okay, and we end this and wait, I don't even know how to pronounce this word. Then enemy prefab comma spawn pose comma quaternion tab quaternion identity okay. Yeah, that was for the enemy spawner. Okay, we save everything to this. Wait, random does not contain a definition for RNG. Did I? Oh, yes, I made the random dot range. Okay, now everything should work. Yes, everything works. Hierarchy. Okay, so let's see. Let's press play. Wait, what happened? So let's see. Is everything at least like still here? I don't really understand. Okay, so everything is still here, right? So yeah, that's very good. Okay. Out random x. Okay. So what we're going to do is we need to add back the plane. We need to add back the cube. We need to add back the sphere. Oh no, the cube, no. We have that. Okay. So we're going to make the plane bigger, right? Then we're going to make the sphere. Okay. We call the plane ground. Then we call the sphere player. Yes. Then player is going to be at 1. Okay. Everything is going good. Now let's see. I want to see if... Oh wait, we forgot to do something. Okay, first thing, we need to add player slide onto the player, right? Okay, now player slide. Also, we need to add rigid body. Okay. We add that. The speed is 5. Then we add an empty, and we call it enemy spawner. Yeah, well, we're just kind of adding the things in hierarchy because something happened. I don't know what, but I mean, wait, let's see. Okay, nothing is happening. Wait, guys. Okay, so guys, I think I found the fix. We add this, the enemy, and should it work now? Let's see. Wait. It is working, guys. See? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, but I see the problem is they're going into only as like a line. Do you see? Like, it's pretty easy to evade them. And they're only going like in a line from left to right. So yeah, I think we'll need to fix that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to change the enemy spawner so it goes from, it doesn't go only from left to right, but it only goes like, it goes everywhere basically. So let's see, what can we change here? Float random x, random dot range. Okay, spawn range. Okay, then we do float random z equals random dot range. Let's see, minus spawn range, wait, range x, comma, spawn range x. Okay, we do this and we, okay, wait, then we do that. Let's see. Okay, there's one error though. The name random. Okay, is that good? Yes. We saved everything. Now we go back. Okay, now let's try. Okay, guys. So the thing is, when when these cubes touch us, then basically game over. Wait, they're still not going. That's pretty weird. Okay, let me see again. Wait, I think I know the fix. We should probably add the script there. Okay. I think we... And what we do is add this. Let's see now, okay guys? I'm not sure, but it might work now. Let's see. No, it's still not working. Wait, let me delete this enemy spawner. Okay, create empty, and it's going to be called the enemy spawner. Okay, then we add this to that. Okay, then we add enemy there. Let's see. Okay, let's see now. Please tell me that at least now it might work. Okay, it still doesn't work. Okay, so guys, let's try a couple of fixes. Let's go into enemy spawner and let's check if everything is correct. I'll check something. Okay, I think I found where the fix is. We forgot to add this. Spawn post. Okay. It should work now. I think so. Okay, let's see guys. Let's see if it'll work now. Oh wait, I forgot to do something. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do, as you can see guys, you saw that the cubes fell well, but the only problem was that the space is too big, if you understand what I mean. And I think we'll just have to make it like smaller so that the cubes just fall there. Right? Okay. Let's try now to see if it's actually gonna be like kind of hard evading. See, the problem is that it's still kind of random. No, what I mean is, yes, it's random, but it's really easy to just get a high score, if you know what I mean. So I think we'll make this even smaller. This might be too hard now. Well, I'll still see. Oh wait, now they're just spawning outside. I think I'll do it like this. I mean, yes, it's pretty hard, but... Oh wait. I think I should make this a bit bigger. If I make this 5, right? No, okay, let's see. If I make this 2.5, right? Then 2.5, and then 2.5. Let's see how it would work now. Yeah, and I think it's the thing is, it's not that the balls will instantly kill you, but it's just the problem that basically you won't be able to like get through, if you know what I mean. Like, it will just become impossible for you to get through without touching the balls, and then that's when you'll die. Okay, so basically what we're going to do now is make the game over system. First, let's check if the player has a collider. Wait, do we have to press the... I honestly don't know. I mean, it has a collider, then it has a rigid body. Okay. Next thing we do is make a collision script. So basically, player collision.ce CS, I think. Okay, we delete this. Okay, public class player collision mono behavior, then we do void on collision enter collision. Yeah, that it actually did that right. See guys, it knows what I want to write. So if collision dot game dot game object dot compare tag, then another enemy. Okay, then we do guys, I don't even understand at this point what I'm doing. So we do one bracket here, the second bracket is here, then we do one more bracket here, We don't need this right now. If wait, we just did that, didn't we? Private, not private. It's just void on collision, enter, collision, then one bracket, if collision dot game object dot compare tag enemy, one of these, then the debug dot log game over. Okay, game over. Then we put that, destroy game object, then we end it. Okay, one bracket, another bracket, and a third bracket. Okay, 0 errors and 0 warnings. Okay, then what we do is okay, we have to find tag, add tag, then wait. This is kind of hard. Okay, so we had to just press the plus sign and then enemy. Okay, save. Can we go to the enemy? Wait. Okay, so guys, actually I just saw that I just forgot to add the player collision, the script to the player. Yeah, that's actually a pretty dumb mistake from me, like, okay, let's see. Yeah. See guys, I just died. I go there. Okay. So basically, yeah, I just die and that's all. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're gonna find something. Okay, game object, then what, UI, then text mesh pro. Okay, we have to import the text mesh pro essentials. Okay. We rename it to score text. Okay. Okay. Score text. We now have to find the rect transform. Where is this? Oh, okay, rect transform. Wait. Okay, so I want the score to be on the bottom left corner. No, actually I'll make it top left. Okay, so what we're going to do is the amount of time you survived, that's your score, okay? So we make a script. Okay, then we call it score manager. Okay. Okay, I don't wanna stop what we already made. Okay, so wait, so we have to do using TM Pro, using Unity Engine. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this and this. Okay, then public class score manager. Okay, then mono behavior, this. Okay, then we do public tmp underscore text score text, then we end it private float timer equals 0f. Wait, I think okay, 0f. So basically this sign, I don't know how it's called. It's like a period for the code, right? So that's why we always have to add it, like the sign at the end of code, so that we stopped writing. Private bool is game over equals false. Okay, then we do void update these, no private void, just void. if exclamation mark is game over, then we do timer plus equals time dot delta time, okay, this symbol, then score text dot text equals time, this sign, then this plus math f dot floor to int timer, accident, floor, oh come on, floor, okay, let's see, floor to, this is actually just a mess, math f dot floor to int timer, plus s, plus s, okay, then we do one bracket, another bracket, public void game over, one bracket is game, yeah, is game over true, then after that we do another, okay, we have no warnings, nothing, that's pretty fun, okay. Okay, game manager. Now we add the score manager script to this game manager. Then we drag the score text UI text. Wait. Okay, so basically we're just gonna make it the top left, let's see, font size 36. I'll make it black, okay, so that you can see it better. Okay, so the score text, wait, let's see, maybe that'll work. Wait, I don't understand. Okay, if we do, say we start, okay? Wait, what? We're not even starting at the camera. Okay, what just happened? What just happened? I don't even know. Yeah, it's like the time, right? Okay, what if I maximize? It's always out of the screen. That's what I don't like. I mean, okay, what if it's here, right? We'll try again. Maybe then we can see it. No, I mean, it's bottom left. Score text. Yeah, I kind of don't understand. Okay, so we click on score text, then the rect transform. We go to the anchor presets. Right. Yeah. Okay, so basically, to stop the thing, we have to adjust the position. Let's say 10. Then we do -10. Where's the word wrapping? Okay, let's try now. Oh, now it's working. See, guys? Try to maximize. I mean, this is really basic, but for me it's pretty fun. Oop. Oh, come on. Okay, I died. This time is still going though. Okay, so what we do is we go to score manager. We have to see that everything is like okay. If is game over, timer plus equals time dot delta time, score text dot text equals time plus mathf dot floor to int timer plus s. Okay. Then the public void game over is game over true. Wait. Okay, so I think I missed a couple of parts. So we do public game object, game object, game over text. Okay, then private float, private bool. Okay, then void update. Let's see, is game over true? Game over text dot set active true. Okay. Okay, now everything should work. At least I think so. Okay. Game over text. Wait, so I want to make the game over thing in the middle of the screen, like in the center of the screen. So what we have to do is we have to make the game object UI text mesh pro. Then we do game over text, right? Then we click here. Position should be somewhere around 0. Then Y0 also. Okay, the font size should be somewhere around 72. Okay, we'll make it black. Okay, like that. Okay, game manager, then game over text here. Let's see, guys, okay? I think we should have done everything now. Okay, let's try evading. Evading all the blocks. See, now I'm trapped. Like, the game is that maybe the blocks won't get me instantly, but I'll be trapped later on. Okay. So I died. The time is still going, first of all. And the game over text is not working. So I'm pretty mad about that. Right. Okay, score manager. Score text. Then game over text is here. Score manager, everything here should be fine. Technically everything should be fine, like I said. Okay, let's try to kill ourselves. Okay, I died, right? But the time is still going. Okay, so we have to go to player collision. Okay, using Unity engine, public class player collision. Oh, we forgot to add one thing. Public score manager score manager. Okay. Then if collision.gameObject compare tag enemy. Okay. Debug log game over. Then score manager dot game over, right? Okay, destroy game object. I think everything should work now, at least. Come on, this is actually a pretty long video and I'm kind of getting tired. Okay, let's see now. Okay, now you're telling me when so many bugs. Oh my. So basically, guys, there's a lot of, as you can see, errors like bugs and stuff. Okay, so we have to first select the player because something is happening with the script of the player, right? Then let's see, find the player collision script. Oh, okay, now we have to add the game manager object here. Game manager, score manager. Okay, let's see. No text. Oh, it is working. Wait. Game over text. I forgot to add this. We'll make it, let's see, okay, we'll make it black, I guess. Let's see, does everything work? Okay, we got the seconds. Game over. Guys, we just did it after, I'd say, a couple of hours. Okay, it looks like a couple of hours isn't long, because I know there are developers who take a couple of hours to fix a bug, right? But for me, taking a couple of hours to make one game is actually very exhausting. So thank you guys, and I know I know probably no people watched until this point, but if someone actually did watch, then thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.